In this video, we're going to look at an overview of the Edit File and Web References tool in the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. So what is this tool? It displays a floating dialog with all links that direct the user to external files and web pages. It automatically checks file references for missing files. It's useful for quick link inspection and editing. To use the tool, click Plugins, Links, then Edit File and Web References. A floating dialog displays all links that have references to external files and web pages. With this tool, you can perform the following actions. Click on a page node to automatically display a corresponding page. Select a file or web reference in the tree to highlight and display a corresponding link annotation in the document view. A second click on a reference allows you to edit its text content, and use the mouse to click on a link annotation in a document view to automatically select a corresponding entry in the Edit File and Web References window. File references are automatically validated. If a corresponding document does not exist, then a reference is shown with a broken link icon. These are the 4 icon types that the tool will display. File references and URLs can be directly edited. It's also easy to browse and edit links within the window. Select a file or web reference and click Options, then Action Properties to amend the properties of each action, or delete an action from the Options menu. This is also a time-saving tool for link inspection and editing. Close the window when you're done. Learn more and download the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat at evermap.com.